Hello, my name is Bonita from Barkley West in the Northern Cape, South Africa. Cutting moringa from a fresh moringa tree. Thank God for that. I'm going to make a very simple, easy breakfast dish using bread, eggs, salt and pepper, moringa fresh leaves, and tomatoes. What I'm going to do is, using a muffin pan, I'm going to roll out bread to make it bigger for the pan. So that it can fit well into the pan. I've just spray and cooked the muffin pan. So now I'm putting it in the pan. It's going to make a very beautiful dish. Right. So here I've done this. Putting the bread in the muffin pan. My next step will be putting the egg in the bread. It's already looking very beautiful and colorful after it comes out of the oven. I'm going to use the oven to cook my breakfast. The next step will be putting the salt and pepper on the egg. That was my salt. This is now my pepper. That was the pepper. This is now my salt. Now comes the fresh moringa leaves. I have a moringa orchard on my plot, and this is from my tree. Thank God for that. Here is already chopped up moringa fresh leaves, and I am putting this on the egg. Enough nicely pepperish moringa. The next thing I'm going to do is, when I present this tomatoes will be on the plate. This is going now to the oven to bake for 20 minutes. Thank you. In the oven, and that's it for 20 minutes. Minutes later, breakfast easy, simple egg breakfast is ready. Taking it out of the oven, and this is how it looks like. Thank you. Now the breakfast, the moringa fresh leaf and my tomato. And there's an easy breakfast.